Powder preparation is of fundamental importance in the success of a finished product. From a monitoring and control perspective, it's essential to trace the flow of the raw materials inside the plant, all the way to the finished product. Accurate monitoring of process parameters can give greater control over production cost and their impact on the product. What's needed then is a fully connected factory. Here is a SACMI-developed tool that will allow you to interlink the entire factory and therefore manage production and analyze quality and production costs. It will also provide you with information on how to reduce these costs and improve production. All solutions developed for grinding and spray drying are designed to be interconnected with here. They are also designed to exchange all the information needed to achieve the goal of a truly integrated factory. With integrated factory, we mean a plant control and product batch management system, a connection between the plant and management, recipe control, and tools to analyze cost, production, and quality. By making a full use of the potential of here and its global view of the plant, we can achieve order management integration for both mills and spray dryers, allowing us to implement an operational plan for each resource. With here, production orders, article data, and product notes are collected automatically by the control system and presented to the operator through production scheduling, thus avoiding manual entries that could lead to wasted time or errors. Manufacturers can analyze cost and quality, also in relation to raw material consumption and semi-finished product management. The analysis tool has been designed to provide, in real time and via the web, the KPIs that are essential to efficient plant management. For example, you can measure consumption of kilowatt-hour per ton of dry material, gas consumption per kilogram of product, and kilocalories per liter of evaporated water in the spray dryer. With paperless support, it's even possible to attach analysis such as quality control on powder or slip. So, in a single word, the factory of the future is here.